What is up, y'all, and welcome back to my channel. If you don't know, now you know. My name is t.a.l.a.y.a. I am a fashion designer, and every week I take fabric that I already have and I make something for myself. But this week was a little bit different. You know, I was out shopping for a client. I saw this fabric and got distracted and said, girl, you better not leave this here in this store. So, girl, I bought it, girl. I spent my good earned coin and bought this fabric, and I'm making this cute bustier with this contrasting blue palazzo pant. I wanted to really push my creativity and go for a difference in hues and really just see what this beautiful blue would look like on my chocolate skin. You're gonna help me say that a lot, chocolate skin. Anywho, let me get back to the voice over thingy or majigger. Follow me. Anywho, so I made this bustier and I made this cute palazzo pant. And let me just say, making this bustier is my second time ever making cups. And cups are difficult. But every time I make it, I'm learning a new technique and I'm learning how I can make it better. That's a word for somebody. Don't beat yourself up on the first time. Baby, you're a student. Remain a student. I promise. If you remain a student, you'll see your gift increase and enhance and make a bigger impact. And if you want a step-by-step tutorial on how to make a bustier, run this video up. Like, share, comment, make it do what it do. But most of all, I hope you enjoy the video. And until next time, I love you.